we're going to look at linear functions. We've done this before in Algebra 1. One form is slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Huh? What? Oh, the second one is called point slope form. Oh, form's already on the paper. And that one is the y minus y1 equals m minus x1, where we know at least one point and the slope. And then remember, slope formula, if I have 2 points, is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if I take a look at this graph, it's showing me the distance that an asteroid 2012 DA14 travels in x seconds. It wants me to write the equation of the line and interpret the slope. So first thing I want to do is I want to figure out how many units is it going up from here to here, between those 2 points. I'm starting at 0, 0, and I'm ending at 524. So how many units up am I going? No. 24. This one's tricky because I'm going up 6 squares, but they're each counting by 4. And then how many am I going right? 5. So my slope is 24 over 5, because it's rise over run. Okay. And then what's my y-intercept? Where is it crossing the y-axis? At 0, right here. So b equals 0. So to write my equation of the line, I'm going to have y equals 24 over 5x. Should I do plus 0? No. Can I do plus 0? Would I be wrong? No, but it's just extra things to write. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Then it wants me to, it gives me a distance of 17,200 miles. And it wants me to figure out how long it took to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the 17,200 into my equation. Miles was my y value, so I'm going to plug it in for the y. So I have 17,200 equals 24 over 5x. And then how would I solve this equation? Divided by what? I want to get the x by itself. Yeah, I flipped the fraction, because remember I need to, because if I was just looking at it like this, I'd divide by 24, and if this was just on the bottom, I'd multiply by 5. So I flipped the fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 over 24. Okay. So on my calculator, I divided, and I got 3,583. So 3,583.3 repeating seconds. Questions? There. number 2, this one actually gives me 2 points. I have 0, 18 and 10, 15. So how many am I going down from 18 to 15? No. How many numbers are between 18 and 15? Not how many squares. 3. So I'm going down 3, and how many am I going right from 0 to 10? 10. So my slope here is negative 3 over 10. And then my y-intercept is what? Where did the line cross the y-axis? 18. Okay, so I'm going to plug those 2 into my equation. I have y equals negative 3 over 10x plus 18. Questions on how I got the equation? This problem also wants me to find the balance after 36 months. Months is my x value, so I'm going to plug this in for x. So when I plug it in, I get 7.2. Does that mean the car is worth $7.2? No. What does it mean? Okay. So if I look over here on my label on the y-axis, it tells me that it's measured in thousands of dollars. So the car balance is $7,200 after 36 months. So they still owe that much money. Questions there? How did I get the 36? That came from, oh, I froze that. That came from the equation. I mean the problem. Any other questions?